Hello, you're welcome to Nurse-Raji Health Consult. My name is Raji Blessing Aigbe. If today is your first time of joining us in this community, kindly click on the subscribe button, like and comment. The first step to health is knowing your status. I have heard of people tell you, I don't know what my health status is. Especially when you ask them, what is your blood pressure? What is your sugar level? What is your weight? What is your height? What is your BMI? All these things mentioned are simple things you can start with regarding knowing your health status. So now, why is it important for you to know your health status? You will stay informed. For me as a person, over the years, knowing my blood pressure status, readings, right, the normal range for me, helped me to stay informed. So you'll be able to stay informed, you'll be able to detect early detection and prevention. You'll be able to know when to manage stress. You will know when the body is giving you signal, and the health cost will be low. Instead of you being caught unaware by diseases and sicknesses, you already started a preventive measure whereby you don't have to spend much on your health. It will also help you know the prognosis of your treatment. You'll be able to know if you're getting better, if you're getting improved. In this video, it's going to be a practical example of how to check your blood pressure. Remember, the reason why we are doing it is that you can take control of your health. You are in charge, and I am here to support you, to enable you achieve that goal. So we all know that this is called just look for the one that is good for you, that you can afford, right? And that works properly for you. So, and these are the tips of checking your blood pressure. Ensure that you have the battery is well placed. It's very important. You ensure that your feet are properly placed on the ground. Maintain that balance. Also ensure that you rest for at least between 10 to 15 minutes before checking your blood pressure for those who have undergone stress. Also ensure that where you will be placing your blood pressure is not excessively high or lower than expected, right? So this is a live video. This is your curve. With this type of apparatus, digital apparatus, blood pressure machine, you can do it yourself at home. If you do not have this, you can save up for it. You can also check your blood pressure in a nearby pharmacy, in a nearby clinic, wherever you can easily access this. You can get this blood pressure apparatus for your loved ones, your family, your parents. You know, you can get it for them. Practical example. You see this curved part, this part, it has to face the outer part of your arm. You dip in, you can dip in into the curve like this, or you remove it, right? And round it. Just ensure that this is facing the outer part. I love to make things easy for me. So just dip it like this, the outer part. If you're wearing a TikTok, you can always fold it out. And bring it to the center, see, and make it firm. Let it be by the side. You can, this is my left arm. the curved round, and I'm about to press the start button.
Attention please. Please keep silent and relax. Keep the cuff at heart level. Thank you. Your blood pressure is systolic pressure.
So
114 millimeter of mercury pillar.
when you
73 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your pulse is 68 beats per minute. Measuring result is normal. Thank you. You of good health.
So when you are checking your blood pressure, you don't have to shake around, make calls, you don't have to. You have to keep calm. And also, checking your blood pressure, ensure that you check 3 consecutive times, right? Then you can then choose the average numbers. So for me, we are talking about knowing your health status. Over the years, I have learned to master my blood pressure. Yeah, I know when I am stressed and when I am not stressed. So with this result, we would confirm if I am stressed or not. Normally, when my blood pressure is below 100, like between 90/60 to, let's say, 97, 98/60 something, 70 something, my blood pressure is normal. My body, my status is normal. My body condition is working properly. But whenever my blood pressure is 100 and above, the systolic pressure 100 and the diastolic pressure maybe 60 and above, for me as a person, it means my blood pressure is high, like I am stressed. So these results, live results, will let us know if I am truly stressed or not.
Last time, your blood pressure was systolic pressure 114 millimeter of mercury pillar. Diastolic pressure 73 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your pulse was 68 beats per minute.
So it means that I am stressed, though this blood pressure is still within the normal range for blood pressure value, right? But because I have mastered my health and I know my status, whenever my blood pressure is 100/60 and above, it is high. You will agree with me now that I, as a person, need rest. You can also remove the batteries, remove the core, and pack your blood pressure neatly. So I'll be sharing out with us the values: high blood pressure value, low blood pressure value. But in this video, it does not matter if you are hypertensive or not. The goal is you should know your health status. Thank you very much. I remain your health coach, Nurse-Raji. Blessing. Thank you, and do have a wonderful time out there. Bye.